Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XELA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red line and green line notations are coming from, but just an absolutely brutal chart. Gap down, and there were just so many people that were buying up around this area that are just completely underwater right now. But I suppose that is just the nature of the beast of the markets. So going to go ahead and get rid of these lines here. They've served their purpose, and just want to now focus on some of the near term levels to keep an eye on from the technical point of view. Yes, those other levels that I deleted, they do still pertain to the chart. They're just simply not relevant anymore because, again, unfortunately, with the huge gap down, those lines just don't matter, and I don't want to have annotations all over the place. But the newest level of support, and this is an area that lots and lots of people are going to be watching, but it's all about that pink line there. It's on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average. In fact, even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it. So to give some credit where credit's due, I mean, it was a brutal day, don't get me wrong, but at least the price was able to stay up above that level. You can see the bears try to press down through it right there and failed, and then basically the rest of the day, just slowly and steady stayed right up above that level. The current value of the pink line is right there at 53 cents. So 53 cents, certainly a must-hold level going forward, because in the event the price were to go down below that level and then continue on down, at that point you would have a situation where now all of a sudden the price is quite literally right back to where it started. Or said another way, that would imply that the price exploded upwards to then just go right back to where it was, which, another in trading terminology and trading slang that you would call that a pump and dump, right? I mean, price explodes and then just goes right back to where it was. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why that 53 cent mark, definitely a very important level to watch from the support side of things. And then as far as areas of resistance are concerned, if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, 56 cents will be public enemy number one. But yeah, as of right now, things are looking pretty rough. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.